आयकोत मरे
कोणी तुका रेस्टॉरंटाचो ओनर आहा तेणी सगळें बरें तुका बरे भाशेन उलयलें म्हणून तुवें ताका केन्ना फेक रिव्यू दिला
I know what is missing, what is शिकलां textual knowledge. So for me it is everything, all the six senses, the look, the taste, the feel, plating, the pricing, everything चोयन म्हाका सांगपाचें.
कुरकुरीत मॉर्निंग or कुरकुरीत नायट
But defamation time, there are people who are not your followers. They are random people who come and comment and go.
सपोज यू वर अ स्पायस वॉट इट वूड बी
आमी सगळीं सेम म्हणटलीं. We go to one cafe, we never go to the cafe again. Instagram world, we want to just take a photo.
हॅलो एवरीवन वेलकम टू अनदर स्पायसी एपिसोड ऑफ रियल विथ मेझल आयचो एपिसोड जावन आसा बरोच कुरकुरीत जातलो कित्याक आमचे मदें आसा एक बरो स्पेशल मनीस आमचो सगळ्यांचोच आवडीचो मिस्टर रुबन रॉड्रिग्स ए मिस्टर कुरकुरीत वेलकम तुका रुबन आय होप यू आर डुईंग वेल
Very good.
या आनी खूब बरें दिसलें यू ऑलरेडी हियर इन द स्टोरी टुडे सो कॅन वी नो अ लिटल मोर अबाउट यू
Little more, me म्हणल्यार in what sense?
अबाउट यू
So me being, I'm a 25-year-old kid, I would say, kid at heart. I am a ex-chef, a influencer, creator, YouTuber. I have taught in colleges. I was a lecturer for some. So lot of things. Very fancy से हेटा भितर.
Very talented guy. Okay, so let's get ready for some Kurkurit stuff, guys. People already know कि तू अर्द लोक म्हणटा कुरकुरीत म्हणटा already. Some people don't know. For them, can you tell like how you got this name as Mr. Kurkurit?
The story is basically very funny because yeah, now I mark Dilna. It happened naturally. I opened an Instagram account. It was called masterclass.de.r7.
Alright.
So from there I used to make videos on food. Like best try करतालो. I used to put photos of जेवणाचे, food memes like cucumber, cucumber. चलना. Didn't work out. After almost 1 year, my followers were only 600. And I was like, I'll give up on this. Zaina. So one day I was like, so like last try kariya. Mom was making shira in the kitchen. Pineapple shira.
Alright.
So she's like, shira kottala shoot kore to video kore. I made a direct video and I did a voiceover on that. And in that flow, I said, by adding yellow color, she added pink color. And I made like pink zalo mare. So that I put it like push kelo.
Okay.
People love that raw nature, like sarke raw आते हैं. And then later on, second day I was troubling mama. I'm like, कितें समझी मग recipe दी करपा. Let's shoot one more video.
Okay.
चले आमको time ना is. तू कितें कोरान घाल. So kitchen भितर आले. There was this thing कापा आले. दोल्ली काढून. I think raw लायलो fry केले. And in that reel I said सारके कुरकुरीत जाला मरे म्हण. So people love that कुरकुरीत जाला मरे. It went trending.
Yeah, yes.
That video went 50,000 views. आणि कॉमेंट येऊ लागले like next day like आणि घाल and then they were like change your name to Kurkurit guy. I was like why Kurkurit guy? So because of Mr. Beast, the guy also Mr. Beast. So like why not Mr. Kurkurit? So that's how the name came in the picture.
Okay, because I remember I started following you in fact in lockdown only when we all were free and doing nothing, and then so I opened my account. Actually I had an account but I was not using it much, like photos we galtali hardly, and then I saw your page, that same video which you're talking about, a shira video, and it was like really happening that time. Makai throw like zalo, and that instantly I followed you. And so lang like even my family, they also saw it. Pulla on Instagram use konna halo, like if you know, not much. Facebook bhi halo, but Instagram was not much used. So people liked it so much, and every day then you started putting all these videos. So then what inspired you?
Inspiration would be my mom. Like that was but obvious. She was the one behind everything.
Okay.
I was never a person who was like into Instagram or makne kur jaale. My idea was I wanted to become famous from day one.
Okay.
I should tell them I want to become famous.
All right.
So I should see Priyanka Chopra on TV, and I was like I want to become like her when I was a kid. I don't know why, but then that thing was there in me to become someone known. And then Mama was like, "Tum घरा को हाता COVID हाँ." During COVID times was.
Yes.
She's like, COVID is there, you are at home, काय कोन्ना रान्ना काय ना, तू आयचम कोत्ता, शिकता रानपा, कितें कोर मरे. So from that time, I was like, चल, Korea. So from the everyday, she's like, I should teach me one recipe, and I should make a video on that and post it on YouTube and Instagram.
Okay, nice. So this was the first reel which went viral, or
My first reel which went viral was the pineapple shira. That was the first recipe which I put and went viral. From there, everything was going hits. I think I grew 30,000 followers within a month.
Okay.
Like from zero, like from 2,000 to 30,000 within a month. I grew very fast.
Okay.
Then there were some videos which went very viral, like the Kurkurit lepo, then bangado, all those things, cutlets.
Yeah, because the sound, that you should make the sound, no? Kurkurit, lepo, hawaya, and all that. That I still remember that those terms you were using, kurkurit and all the stuff like that. So, आता तुझे आके recipes हा तू कोत्ता पळयत्यो. Are they your own recipes or you're taking some inspiration from your mother or someone else?
So I would say people have this thing like Mr. Kurkurit or सारखं व्हडलो chef and everything, you know. आता IHM केला. I have a degree as a chef. I am a certified chef. But when it comes to cooking, like the credit goes to again my mom. The page मुगे नावारा, but whatever is there, content is all hers. Like her recipes are hers. The aim was to recover all the Goan recipes, the lost recipes like mandos, magi, tavsadल्या bakari, all these things were lost. We wanted to get it back. That's why we made a YouTube. And even the Instagram recipes are all hers. Like whatever she makes, and mine मुगे तो 2-3 hai, barik. But one thing I can guarantee you is whenever you make my recipe on YouTube or Instagram, they will never taste bad because whatever is the best we give it. We don't keep secrets. Like some people what they do, they don't show like itli salt घालपाची सांगना है, wrong सांगते मुद्दाम. We don't do that. We show actual recipe.
म्हणजे कितले क्वांटिटी घालपाची किती घालपाची सारखे exact.
Yes, we don't hide anything.
So it becomes easier for people.
Yeah. The whole aim is like for people who are in UK and all. Thank soile te kele zale go and food on their plate. That was the idea.
That's nice. Okay. So आता जेन्ना तू you go as a food influencer or a creator, तुका आता रेस्टॉरंटांनी आपयताय to taste the food, you know, to review it. So what is the first thing once you take a bite? Tuka, what do you see? The presentation only or the taste? How you do that?
See, for me, I would like to be a bit this thing here. Like, I'll give a review. Like other food bloggers, when they say in Goa, okay, I'm talking about Goa. When they say they are food bloggers, most people are doing it for free food. I will give a bold claim. And when it comes to me, I have learned food for 3 years. I would say I'm not perfect or anything in that, but I have worked in a 5-star for like some certain time. I worked under a chef. I worked under my mom. I've cooked at home.
Okay.
So then I can go and review something. I can tell them like the texture I know what is missing, what is shigla. Textual knowledge. So for me, it is everything, all the 6 senses: the look, the taste, the feel, plating, the pricing, everything. So in my sambache. But for others, like गेले तोणा वाह बरें.
So केन्नाय तरी अशें like कोणी येता का रेस्टॉरंटाचो ओनर हा, तेणी समजा बरें तुका बरे भाशेन उलयलें म्हणून तुवें ताका केन्ना फेक रिव्यू दिला?
ना, हांवें अजून फेक रिव्यू दिलो ना. इज लायक आवर जॉब इज टू प्रमोट. वी प्रमोट रेस्टॉरंट्स. So in a way, we have to review. So आतां कितें आसता? People say in my comments also they say nowadays like अरे तेका पयशे मेळटाय तो promote करता. It's like we are not promoting random things, right? I go there, I eat and I like it and I'm promoting it. It's like if I don't like something, मुझे rule हा life हां केला बिन तें. When I have not liked something, I have told the owner directly review like वो सारकी ना. If you are improving this within the 1 week, I'll put the reel after the 1 week when you taste change करते कितें वस्तू. ना जाल्यार if it's not good, I pay my bill and I come out. Okay, ना fake promote करना.
That's really nice. Yeah. So तुका सपोज तर म्हणजे तुका केन्नाय अशें दिसलां की बाबा जायते अशे ब्लॉगर्स कोत्ताय न्हू लायक फेक घालताय ओ कितें घालताय दॅट यू शूड स्पीक ऑन दॅट बिकॉज अ लॉट मेनी पीपल आर डुईंग दॅट स्पेशली फूड ब्लॉगर्स हॅव सीन आनी आमकां वॉट पीपल ट्रस्ट द ब्लॉगर्स फूड आसता पळय तांकां आनी तेंचे कॉन्टेंट पळोवनूच वी गो टू द रेस्टॉरंट्स नॉर्मली नाव तो इज दॅट वे पयलें पूण कोणें सांगल्यार वयताले तोंडान बट नाव विडियोज पळोवन वयताय but there are some people who are like just blindly telling anything because म्हाका अशें जालेलें I have seen one video I won't take the name but I saw the video and they said like it is delicious yeah bore te and itle bore म्हणपाक and I took my family and I went there on a very special day on my mother's birthday actually and like you know how mothers are तेंका घरांतलें like आतां जेवण they don't want outside food but I told her like don't cook this time let's go out so थिंगा गेली आमी and the food was not worth it and the prices were high and all that so like zauna ani then I felt like are this influencer or this guy was promoting it like some best jewan hale so what you would like to tell those people who are promoting food in a bad wrong sangtay amka information wrong ditay tenka
muge simple logic like same what I said again like you should not believe any fake like food blogger I would say fake food blogger jenke experience na knowledge na food but the main thing is what like you need to trust the reviews ek part bloggeran tu gaile sangle ing osa hai always go on Google reviews and check the reviews, how the reviews are. Sometimes review can also be faked. So secondly, I would say always like, you know, check the food. If it is fusion food, If you like fusion, you go for it. If you like Goan, you can easily go for it because of Goan, but how it is.
Yes, yes.
So again, food is also subjective. What I like, you might not like. What you like, he might not like. That's how it works.
Sarge.
So I will say like follow the right influencer. That is me.
So guys, you all know who to follow. Okay, so recently I have to एक post पढ़लो where you have started your own cafe, Mr. Kurkurit's cafe, I think. So how did you feel like? I mean, how did it came into your mind to start your own? It was always a dream to start your own cafe, or what was it?
Well, again, that cafe was a concept cafe. Like it was not a full-time cafe. It's a concept cafe for 3 months.
All right.
So what happened was after my IHM, I was free at home. I was doing my content and all. And one fine day, I promoted a brand called Kamakshi College, Culinary College.
Yes.
When I went to promote them, it was like very fun environment to like they were doing a very fun way. So I told the owner, I'm like, this is very nice. I will come and learn here. It's fun. So for me, they did some adjustments. It's like a 1 year course, no. So I don't have time for 1 year in Shikpa. So they did a whole adjustment of like a barik course ready kalo. And then he gave me the idea. What if you try your cafe here, like experiment a cafe?
Okay.
When then we got the idea of like to put my name, put the menu, search something, thank a chef, burgi, paramadon. So yeah, enjoyed the process. It was fun learning. Got to know cafe not easy. People think it's easy, but it's very easy, difficult. And then yeah, maybe Kurkurit Cafe 2.0 might be coming very soon.
Oh, that's nice. Nice news. Okay. So in the same cafe which you had now earlier, which was the best dish there?
Well, we tried to change dishes every week, every month, but the one thing which stood out, which went crazy, was eclairs. We made chocolate eclairs,
All right.
which were better than one more brand in Goa. I will not name, but better than them any fine day.
So that was too good.
Too good.
Okay, fine. So, as you said, professionally you had gone to study in the Kamakshi, that college. I mean, it's a school. What is that school?
Culinary college.
Okay. So, after going there, also on, did you learn something more? Confidence did you enhance your liking or your studies in that field? Did you improve more in that?
I would say after doing IHM, I had got an overall 3 years experience of every department.
Okay.
Kamakshi was specific to bakery, so I'm bakery thingal karpa. And I would say I have learned some tricks and tricks which I did not know about, like to make things easier. But moreover, I learned the cafe part, like entrepreneurial part, more than the production part, I would say. But yeah, it was a fun experience.
So you
met some good friends and all.
You learned a lot from there. Okay. So where do you see yourself in next 5 years?
So if you had to ask me this question earlier, I would have said but now it's like life is getting serious. I'm 25.
Yes,
it's like that number is come. So I would say in the next 5 years, I want to start up brands. Like I'm not into Instagram only. I want to start up Instagram properly. YouTube, I want to launch again. It's like pending. I'm thinking to start my own marketing agency very soon with my old friends. I'm thinking to start a lot of more ventures, which I will not name right now, but then kitle planning ha. So I would say in the next 5 years, next 5 brands I want to launch.
So good, you're already prepared for the next 5 years. That's really good. So तुका केन्ना अशें येता जाता इन्फ्लुएंसिंग कोता तूं आय फूड इन्फ्लुएंसर जावपाक इट्स नॉट अ इजी जॉब एंड सो तुका केन्ना त्रास पडलाय अशें लायक यू नो म्हणजे लोकांनी तुका डिटेन करपाक ट्राय केला यू नो दे डोंट गिव यू दॅट सपोर्ट थोडे म्हणटाय नो यू गेट सम हेट फ्रॉम इंस्टाग्राम तशें तुका कितें मेवलां लायक
डिफेमेशन आय वूड से म्हाका जाल्यार केन्ना जालें ना जाला बट एक्सपिरियन्स आहाय but as per my audience, right, they have been very supportive, very good to me. Like sarke strong audience I have, I would say. If I put any problem out there, they're always there to support me. They're always there, like tension now, like you know, we are there for you. So I have a very strong audience. But defamation time, there are people who are not your followers. They are random people who come and comment and go.
Correct.
And I would say one more thing: the people who defame you or who hate you, like indirectly or directly, are never your followers. They always who are very close to you.
That's rightly said. Okay. तुझी हुंची एक dish which will describe your personality and why?
What I make?
No, anything. Any dish which will describe your personality kohi and why you feel that way.
I would say the best dish to describe my personality is like crumb fried chicken with like a very spicy and tangy sauce. So Kurkurit and like sweet and spice.
But why? Why you feel that way?
I would say like Kurkurit is because of my name Kurkurit and sweet and tangy because my personality, funny and this thing like serious in life. both.
Okay,
Mix and match.
nice. तुझी किती dream collab भी हाँ, like you're thinking to collab with some chef in the future or some food creator. Do you have any dream like
Well, my dream already achieved zala kitles. Like my thing is like I believe in whenever I dream it happens.
Okay.
So what happened was there's a creator, very famous creator on Instagram called Zingy Zest.
Oh.
India's like top food blogger आलते. आणि when I was starting up only, my dream was she has to follow me. Or I'll have to talk to her.
Okay.
And I should text her. I just tried my luck. One day she replied to me and she started seeing my account content. And my birthday day and her birthday day same day.
Oh.
So I texted her. I'm like, my dream is for my birthday when I hit 1 lakh followers, you should follow me. She's like, इतना क्यों रुकना है? आज ही करती हूँ. She followed me.
But your content is really good, Ruben. I also I really like it. Okay. So जायत्या लोकांचे misconception असतात, about food bloggers or food creators. Can you tell us something about that?
First of all, people think that we do everything for free food. We do everything for promoting a fake brand. That is not true. There are people who are honest. I can name some bloggers. I'm there who actually promote proper things and proper things. We look for our audience. Second thing I would say is people think आता सगळं जेवण मेळटा टेबलाचेर ते खाता है तेशकों आसना ते म्हाका कमेंट येता अरे तू मोतलो इतली खाता हें तें मुझे फाटल्यान behind the lens there are so many people who are eating it or we pack it, we take it. Then there are a lot of things which people think so. तेशकों आसना. Like when they come and talk face to face, that time we can make you understand. Simply they start commenting. The thing I don't like.
Yeah, because लोकांक खबर ना what you'll do with so much food.
Oh,
they
yeah.
only see the front thing, no, in front of the
back
camera,
thing, yeah.
background कोण पळयना, behind the camera कोण पळयना. So आता suppose एक tiring day हा तुका आणि maybe you gone somewhere out and तू घरा येयलो. What is that comfort food you love to eat?
So any day I would say if it is fancy, ते म्हणपाक ना, I get hate for it. ते म्हणपाक ना, if it is like comfort food, I would say eldur, boiled rice, brown rice,
Okay.
आणि chicken fry.
Oh.
This is enough for me. This is
That's
three
your
things.
comfort food.
Yeah.
We love that. Okay. Any message you want to give to the audience, like the new upcoming food bloggers or food creators or any new coming chefs, they want to be chefs or anyone?
I would say if you are trying to be a chef, first of all, it has to be your passion. If you love food, to make food, त्यांना जाय. Don't come under pressure. See the bright life. म्हाका तें सेम दिसलें. Chef म्हणल्यार big thing, सारकें luxury life. But the hard work what you do in the starting phase is very difficult. If you are a new food blogger, I would say don't do it for free food. Do it for if you like doing it. If you want to review food, learn about food, talk about food, and always like expand your knowledge. Keep on going for classes, workshops, meet chefs, talk to people. That's what I'll tell them. Don't do it for the views. Do it for your value.
That's right. So as you said now, Mr. Kurkurit's Cafe 2.0 is coming. So that's going to be like the same way concept cafe only, or like it's going to be like fixed astoli?
No, I would say I will never put a fixed cafe because right now the trend is what आम्ही सगळे same म्हणटली. We go to one cafe, we never go to the cafe again.
Correct.
Instagram world, we want to just take a photo, Pauli, Starbucks, Pauli, and here Pauli. So we'll never go again there. So I will always say I'm into concepts now. So 3 months the concept काढला born, but wait for it one more to come.
That's really good and thoughtful, huh? Really good, because I think I don't go repeat any restaurant until unless it is very close or I have to go. Otherwise, normally I'm going to already it's always we want to put some pictures also on Instagram, no? Who will put the same photos? Okay. One more thing I want to ask you. Did you always have this love for cooking or to be a chef from the very beginning?
No. Never.
What do you wanted to be if you were not a chef?
When I was asked in my childhood, see what I want to be, I was saying astronaut. I don't know why. I thought Munacho italo, but chef, I will never. Even my grandma, both my grandmas are an amazing cook. They used to cook amazing food. So, people I should look at them how they're doing and all. But I never thought I would be the one cutting and doing stuff.
Okay.
And I would say because of my luck. Everything happens in my life because of luck. Never planned. I never planned my destiny. It happens. So after 12th, I was like science ke liye. So I passed science. That said I'll fail. So I passed along. Happy, huh? Like fail means pass along and with good percentage. So I was confident, sir, overconfident. So mom asked me, what next? I need a break. I pass along. And then Dada filled only one form for entrance. That was IHM. Because he checked around and all. One form fill kele. And IHM was a difficult exam to crack. And to get Goa is more difficult because it's national exam, right?
Yeah.
I didn't study nothing, tuition kahin kalna. Direct gelo, that luck was not like "Yahan le bro, yahan le bro." They should
Just choose whatever.
Just choose whatever.
Inky minky donkey kala she.
Whatever I knew I answered, whatever I didn't know, there was no negative marking. So Male, I got a very good rank, and I got Goa. It just happened. Everything, COVID, zale, mother Instagram, ile. So yeah, that way.
It was kind of destiny for you.
Destiny,
You were
yeah.
meant to be what you are right
I would
now.
say that, yeah.
Yeah. But do you really have that liking for it, like for food?
I would say to cook, I will not cook every day. But if example, आता कौन special हाँ, like कौन cousin एला, and I have to show off or I have to cook one special, then yes, I would love to cook. Or like with a partner or someone else to cook. But every day मगती मुड़ले शीत कोड़ी कर, दाल कर, ये कर, ले ना दाल मगले.
I think all the chefs do the same thing at home
Same,
also.
same.
No one cooks at home because I have my friends as chefs and my uncle, but Galakode can't run like only in their restaurants or whatever. Otherwise, no. They might like think I run, I think it's common with everyone. all the
Everyone.
chefs.
I've not seen any chef cooking at home, like happily, from my friends who are there.
Okay. Any one thing you feel that there should be changed regarding food in Goa?
Food in Goa, I would say, we have a very rich heritage and a very rich history of food in Goa, which is not really showcased properly. Like there is two sides of it. There's Catholic food and there is this thing. What do you call that? I forgot the word.
What is it?
Saraswat cuisine. Saraswat cuisine.
Yeah, Saraswati ki
Yeah. So the cuisines are not showcased properly.
Yes.
What happens is in Goa, people are longing for Punjabi food, Delhi food, biryani chatta hai. Even us as Goans are going to eat shawarma and ki matte hain. So we need to showcase our actual cuisines to the world. When you say Kerala, we go to Kerala, we eat this food, we feel good. But we're not really showing our real things. When in restaurants, when they say kafriel, they give you green chicken. Not kafriel.
That's rightly said, huh?
Yeah.
Because I think nowhere where I have gone to a restaurant, kafriel is always green chicken.
That's
I'm
what.
like, what are you giving me green chicken? I hate green chicken, by the way.
Same.
And at home also I don't eat, huh? So mama always can I konna ami garagode only kafriel she does and she knows I eat. So the kafriel kottali munna khatale green color to distale bore. But otherwise look kafriel munta and green chicken botta hai. Many places I've seen that and it is wrong. But can't incorrect konna. Like people say okay it's kafriel only. Are it's not kafriel. Like you can't tell them or something.
And secondly, Goan people are not doing Goan food. They are opting for other cuisines.
Correct.
And the outsiders are trying to get Goan food and they mess it up. Like green chicken kafriel, sorbatel munta and कितने कोते हैं different nature.
Sorbatel and कितने varies है, like कितने varieties कोता है. I've seen.
One day I went somewhere mere and I ordered butter chicken. It's not promotion directly along. Butter chicken, sorry, I ordered vindaloo. They gave me butter chicken gravy base with red like Rogan Josh.
Oh my God.
I was like कितने अलाउड again. So that's what happening. You need to preserve the recipes. I would say.
Correct. So we need to get them out, like especially आमचे like आदलो recipes भी high point, like how you said, like your mother's recipes, your grandmother's recipes तुम्ही बाहेर काढताय. It's a good way actually because आम्ही आताची भुरगे हाय पळय ती we don't cook much.
Yeah.
Actually our parents are cooking for us. आणि आम्ही की ते खाताय normal everyday same चितकोडी खाताय आणि ओल्डे आम्ही चित नाही. Old recipes, but I think we have to actually get them into picture आणि because our cuisine is very good. As for me, तुम्ही हात लायला तुका खबर आसतली. Like it's so yummy. Because other places if you go, Kerala, how you said Delhi, ते पळय आपणाक सारखे सामके व्हडले करून हे करताय. But आमच्या लोकांक कितें जाता, like how you said, बिर्याणी जाल्यार बिर्याणी खावपा वयतली आमचे लोक. गोंयचें जेवण नाका. तांकां दिसता की बेस्ट आहे म्हणून जेवण.
We got to trend it, I feel like. Everything is a trend right now. So in Japan, a new trend has come. Japan or China, not sure. They make mochi. So they show the process. Like reels कितले येलो है बाहेर. So that is now again trending back. But can't mochi hai nothing. It's like mochi is nothing. Just like rice.
I know.
But again, we need to trend our Goan food again. Like you can make a roast omelette trend or like some trend which will trend again and people will go for it. Because nowadays,
I think like amche youth they have to do that because amche parents are already not in that thing of going that way, you know. They will obviously be happy to teach our kids, but amche burgi ready aspas hai to take our cuisine. Yes. And if every Goan person knows about how to do that, and jiklo mun pacho of life because that food is though anyone will like the food.
But that's difficult to do, very difficult.
Very difficult, but it's really people appreciate actually wherever you go out and all like especially you're in UK or US, when you prepare Goan food, they really appreciate.
People love Goan food in UK more than in Goa.
That's right.
When they are here, when they were in Goa, they never liked it. I'm sure. Yes. Now there are Goan restaurants that are doing very well in UK.
Yes.
So that's what they wanted, but they can't make authentic because they also nahi masala is proper difficult to source there. So when they come here, they go back to again something else. They'll eat for 1-2 weeks, fish bin, thali bin. Again they'll go to something else.
Correct.
This is the.
तो सारकें उलयतो. One last question I have about Goan food only again. Suppose तर गोंयचें जेवण आतां आमी म्हणटा लायक तितलें इम्पोर्टन्स मेळना जेवणाक इम्पोर्टन्स मेळना. हाव वूड यू से दॅट आमचे कोण नॉन गोवन्स आय थिंक हाव टू प्रमोट दॅट फूड लायक सेम वे यू फील प्रमोट करपाक हाव यू कॅन प्रमोट दॅट फूड
The Goan food?
येस
To them?
टू द नॉन गोवन्स
I would say they come only for that food. But then what happens with them is they don't find a good taste and then they go back to their source. They want biryani, they want fried rice, they want Chinese. So if you have, every restaurant has like a particular good dish made without cheating, without making any mixing, then they will never go for that food. They will always like to eat Goan food, I would say.
बिकॉज आमचें जेवण लायक मातशें गोड कशें आसता लायक कंपेर्ड टू द्या फूड स्पेशली लायक डेल्ली ऑर कर्नाटका तिन्या तेंचें जेवण सामकें स्पायसी आसता और इवन आमचें फूड गोवन फूड लायक मातशें आंबट आसतलें टँगीनस इज दे यू नो आनी देन दे से हें चड आंबट केलां बिकॉज विनार घालताय आमी विथ विनेगर आनी ते म्हणटा हें चड आंबट लागता तें नॉट अच्छा न्ही हें डिश सो आय थिंक द रेस्टॉरंट्स हॅव टू एक्सप्लेन इट टू the dishes.
That's the main thing.
Because I don't think people are doing that because माझी खूप फ्रेंड आहाय outside Goa and then they tell us की ते जेवण असले हाले तुमचे we don't like it. So then we have to explain them बाबा अशें असतात ते that's the beauty of Goan. So I think every Goan restaurant have to tell that to them कित्याक मागीर ते रिव्यू घालताय bad review घालताय and then when they fight with them how अशें आसता dish म्हणून. So I think it's a good way to tell.
Main thing is that will explain. Now when you go to anywhere else, they always explain you like how the dish is going to be, how it will be, what is made with that. So main is that educating people.
Yes. Because not everyone knows what is Goan food about.
Agreed.
Yeah. Okay. So the next round is rapid fire round.
Okay.
Ruben, you can answer in one word or one sentence max. Let's not make it big. Okay. Okay. So let's start the rapid fire round. Kurkurit morning or Kurkurit night?
Night.
One Goan snack that you can eat every day.
Risois.
Prawns risois.
Prawns risois.
Oh. तुझी most favorite Goan dish?
Kafriel.
Okay. एक ingredient that you can't live without?
I would say pepper.
Okay. Miria.
Yeah, miria.
Okay. Not on the Instagram for Instagram, but what was the first dish तुझे prepare केल्या पळती?
First dish carrot cake.
Carrot cake.
Yeah, with
and
rum.
how was it?
Very good.
Did your mother like it?
Mom only told me to make it.
Okay.
Story बरी आहे त्याची.
We can hear it sometime.
Yeah.
Okay. What is harder? Shooting करपाक reel or cleaning after that?
Shooting, cleaning I'm करणे. My mom does. So
that's why. That's all right. Okay. What is that one thing that annoys you like instantly?
When I'm shooting something, let's कोणा कितें केलें आवाज केलें that time I get very annoyed.
Okay. Suppose you were a spice, what it would be?
I would say chili, red chili.
Red chili, oh my goodness. Okay. So you've cooked so many recipes in the lockdown. Okay, I think I like your recipes. Which was your most loved one?
By me or by audience?
By you.
By me it was, I would say the cutlet.
Okay.
When my cat was involved, Bill was involved.
Yeah. And for the audience?
Audience again, same thing, trending early.
Okay.
And jelly early, mango jelly, which went around 36 million views.
I think your recipe is all over my kind of favorite because the way you were doing it, it was going viral and you even felt like going to the kitchen and doing it. That was really good about you. Okay, so we have some games now. Okay, very simple games, I'll tell you. So the game is now Kurkurit or not Kurkurit. Kurkurit mulla, it would be like a good thing or you actually vibe with that. Or if it is not Kurkurit mulla, you don't like it or you don't vibe with that particular thing, what I'm saying. Okay, let's start. Roast omelette.
Kurkurit.
Okay. Kafriel.
Kurkurit.
Prawns risois.
Kurkurit.
All your favorites.
Damn.
Poi.
Kurkurit.
Chorizo pav.
Kurkurit.
Rava fried bangado.
Not Kurkurit. Surprising. I don't like fish.
Okay. You don't like fish?
No.
Wow.
No one knows this.
Goan traffic.
Not Kurkurit.
Your Insta DMs.
Kurkurit.
Okay. Rains in Goa.
Kurkurit.
Okay. People who don't share food with you.
Not Kurkurits.
Okay. So that's our second game now. We're going to the game is now ha Kurkurit sound challenge. So I'll be playing some sounds, and then you have to recognize the kohla sound poito.
Okay.
Okay. Kurkurit sound ko hetal to different sound hai Kurkurit kashe. So you have to understand what sound it is.
What thing it is?
I'm gonna play the some music, and then you'll come to know ki poito sang pache. Like what exactly it is. So are you ready?
Yes.
Play kotta ek video ta aiko tu ek audio.
Someone eating chips?
No. One more guess.
Pasta motte?
Papad.
Oh.
Yes. Okay. Next for the next one, huh?
Frying fish.
Yes, that's right. Okay, the next one.
Dicing onions.
Yes, correct. The next one is this one.
Water pouring.
Yes, right. And one more.
So drinking milkshake.
Yes. So everything was right, correct. Okay. Third game ha poiti amchi English अनुवाद म्हणजे translation करपाचे from English to Konkani. So I've got some spices. It's very easy, man. We'll do it right. You're expert in those.
I don't think so.
You are. I think you are. You use it. For example, mirsang.
Chili.
So I'll tell in English now. You'll have to tell in Konkani.
Okay.
All right. Okay. So cloves.
We say close only at home.
Huh?
We say at home close only.
Cloves would that be? I will complain to your mother. Cloves. Come on, think.
Longa.
Yes. Cardamom.
Tikki.
Yes. Ginger.
Ale.
Black pepper.
Miriam.
Cumin seeds.
Cumin seed. Jeera.
Yes, that's correct. So it's always easy. It was
Jeera, yeah.
difficult kind of, and you are expert man in this. You are expert in this. Okay. So that's it for today. And I really liked it that you we got some nice crunchy Kurkurit flavors by you as a conversation. And thank you once again, Ruben. I really felt really good. And see you guys next time. Till then, stay real and stay Kurkurit. Bye-bye.